Hey there, everyone. Are you looking for a fun and easy way to earn extra cash or rewards? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can earn from Temu, the popular online shopping and rewards platform. Temu offers a variety of ways to make money, from cashback on purchases to participating in fun challenges. You can also earn by referring friends and family, making it a great way to boost your income. So, whether you're a seasoned shopper or just getting started, Temu has something for everyone. Stick around, and I'll guide you through each step to maximize your earnings. Let's dive right in. So, first things first. What is Temu? Temu is an innovative online marketplace that has been gaining popularity for its unique approach to shopping. Temu is an online marketplace where you can shop for a variety of products at incredible prices. From electronics to fashion, home goods to beauty products, Temu has it all. The platform is designed to offer a seamless shopping experience with a user-friendly interface that makes browsing and purchasing a breeze. But here's the exciting part. Temu also offers multiple ways to earn rewards, cash, and discounts. Whether it's through daily check-ins, special promotions, or referring friends, Temu provides numerous opportunities to maximize your savings. Imagine getting rewarded just for shopping for the things you love. Curious? Temu's reward system is designed to keep you engaged and coming back for more. It's not just about shopping, it's about creating a rewarding experience. So why not give Temu a try and see how much you can save or earn? Happy shopping! Step 1 is super simple. Download the Temu app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Simply search for the app, click on the download button, and wait for it to install. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and create a password. Once you're in, here's how you can start earning. The app's home screen is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You'll find various options and features that can help you earn rewards. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout and explore the different sections. Temu offers a referral program where you can invite friends to join the platform. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning. Simply go to the referral section of the app, copy your unique referral link, and share it with your friends and family. You can send the link via text message, email, or social media. For every friend who signs up and makes a purchase, you earn rewards or credits. These rewards can be used within the app to make purchases or participate in other earning opportunities. It's a great way to build up your credits without spending any money. Some users even report earning cash directly. This means that in addition to credits and rewards, you might also receive actual money that can be transferred to your bank account or used for other purposes. Next, Temu has in-app games like Spin the Wheel, Lucky Draws, or Mini Challenges. These games are not only fun, but also provide additional ways to earn rewards. Each game has its own set of rules and prizes, so be sure to read the instructions before playing. These games give you opportunities to win coupons, credits, or even real money. Winning notifications will appear in the app, and you can claim your prizes immediately. The excitement of winning adds an extra layer of enjoyment to using the app. Want to take it to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, there are always new strategies to explore. Here are a few advanced ways to earn on Temu that can help you maximize your income. If you're active on social media, sign up for Temu's affiliate program. Leverage your online presence and turn your followers into a source of income. Share affiliate links and earn commissions on purchases made through your link. Temu partners with cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey. Shop through these platforms to earn cashback on your purchases. Not only do you save money, but you also get a percentage back, which can add up over time. Start a blog or a YouTube channel focused on product reviews and tutorials. This can drive traffic to your affiliate links. Use analytics tools to track your performance and refine your approach. Invest in learning. attend webinars, take online courses, and stay updated with the latest trends. Set clear goals and celebrate your milestones. Tracking your progress will keep you motivated. With these advanced methods, you're well on your way to maximizing your earnings on Temu. Happy earning! Here are a few tips to help you maximize your earnings on Temu. Stay active. Check the app daily for new games, offers, and challenges. Consistency is key to staying ahead. Share your referral link across multiple platforms for better reach. The more you share, the more you earn. Combine Temu rewards with cashback apps to double up on savings. This strategy can significantly boost your earnings. Set reminders to check the app and participate in time-sensitive offers. Engage with the Temu community to learn new strategies and tips from other users. Track your earnings and analyze which activities yield the best results. This will help you focus on the most profitable tasks. Celebrate your milestones and keep motivated. Happy earning! Thousands of users have already earned from Temu. Whether it's extra spending money, free products, or discounts, there's something for everyone. Hear from real users who have transformed their lives with Temu. From paying off debts to funding dream vacations, the possibilities are endless. Join the community and start your success story today. That's it for today's guide on how to earn from Temu. We hope you found the information useful and that it helps you maximize your earnings on the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to earn on Temu? We love hearing from our viewers and learning about your experiences. Also, if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to ask in the comments below. We are here to help you succeed. Remember, earning on Temu is all about being consistent and exploring all the opportunities the platform offers. So, keep experimenting and stay motivated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy earning!